Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Shift Phone 8.1. This is a new modular phone. This is a German company. I just returned from IFA in Berlin, and right now we are going to unbox and take a look at this phone. All I know about this phone is that it's a modular phone. It has an official IP rating. It has long software support and it's pretty decent and will be a phone for the long run. So now let's unbox it and take a look further. We are presented with a little saying here. Inside of the box we have a glass screen protector. From the feel of it, it seems pretty high quality. We have the usual paperwork. Welcome to Shift family. This is the phone itself. Comes with a case. Check out this saying here. Smartphones can be time killers. There is no greater gift for you today than the next 24 hours. Use them wisely. People are more important than machines. Totally agree with that. I believe that this is the user manual. Yeah. We have a screwdriver inside and some more paperwork. Check out this screwdriver. And now that we have finished unboxing, let's check out the phone. Here on the back we have the dual camera setup with the, I think it's a dual tone flashlight. On the right side we have the power button and the volume buttons. We have the microphone on the top. We have a function button here on the left side. And on the bottom we have the charging port, the microphone and the speaker. Okay, so let's remove the back cover. Yeah, we have Shift branding everywhere. This is the battery. This battery is 3820 milliamperes. Here in the back of the phone, after we remove the battery cover, we have two SIM slots and a micro SD card for expandable storage. And we have a kill switch here for the microphone and the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. After you put the battery case, just be sure to press it firmly so the water won't go in. Now let's remove this film screen protector and put the glass screen protector. This phone comes pre-installed with a film screen protector, so I won't be using this one. It has a cutout for, I believe to be, the fingerprint sensor. Now let's just power on the phone. I was looking at the screwdriver, and it's worth mentioning that even the screwdriver has Shift branding. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. We are on the home screen now. First thing, let me go to settings, about phone, Android version. Yeah, we have Android 14. Let me check for an update. We don't have any new updates available, but the guys from Shift at IFA told me that a new update will be released very soon, right after IFA. So yeah, I have the version with 512 gigabytes of storage. Now let's open the camera app. We have a wide angle lens and the zoom goes up to, let's see. Yeah, the zoom goes up to 10x. The video quality can go up to 4K with 30 frames per second. We also have 1080p 60 frames per second, and we have video stabilization. Here and more, we have a few more options like Super Night, Bokeh Effect, Pro Mode, Slow Motion, Time Lapse, and Panorama. The video quality on the selfie camera is 1080p with 30 frames per second. The video stabilization is even in the selfie camera. It's EIS, but at least we have some type of stabilization. Now let me go to settings again. Display. Yeah, brightness level 100%. We even have the outdoor mode, so if we turn it on, the screen will get more brighter. Colors are natural, boosted, and adaptive. I'm just gonna leave it at natural. The screen refresh rate is set to 120 Hz by default. Now let me put my information in and we will take it from there. I just finished putting my information in. The first app that I installed is CPU-Z. This app tells you the phone specifications. For the processor, we have the Qualcomm QCM6490, which is an 8-core processor clocked at 2.71 GHz. Regarding the other specifications, we have the configuration with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The display of this phone is 6.64 inches with a resolution of 1080p and a screen density of 396. Now, before ending the video, as usual, let me check the display viewing angles and test the speaker of this phone. The resolution on YouTube goes up to 4K and this is an HDR display. I don't think that the camera is doing justice because the display colors are very good. Now let me open another video and test the speaker. The speaker is good, and it's worth mentioning that we have stereo speakers on this phone, so a speaker here on the bottom and a speaker on the top. And for now, this will be the video. I will make more videos on the future with the Shift Phone 8.1. I will compare it with a few other phones that I have. I will make a video test, gaming test, and I will disassemble and reassemble this phone only with this screwdriver. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.